Yo, YouTube. Many of you have been asking for an update, so I thought I'd create it. I've made previous videos, but this is going to be the latest method, guys. So I'm going to show you how to get cap breakers in 2K26. You can actually get all 28 cap breakers using an NBA 2K26 locker code. This is the easiest, fastest, and quite frankly, guys, I think it is the only working method to get all cap breakers in 2K26. Before I show you how to go ahead and do this, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, because as I alluded to, I do create updated videos pretty often, and yeah, you're definitely not going to want to miss any future uploads. So let's show you guys how to get cap breakers in NBA 2K26. As I mentioned, this is going to get your locker code, so use your mobile phone. I recommend you do this just on your mobile. It makes it a lot easier, guys, and then you can go ahead, grab your code and enter it whatever platform you play on. So you need to go to www.coldcoupons.com. Now, basically, guys, if you haven't seen this website before, this is a game code website. I've actually used these in previous years for like 2K25 and even 2K24, I believe they had. But yeah, they actually have a page on here. So if you search for 2K26 NBA, so make sure you type it in, and you're going to find this page here, guys. Now, this is awesome. This is a page with different codes on here for 2K26. So go ahead and scroll down, and you're looking for the cap breakers code. So this is get all cap breakers for free in NBA 2K26. And guys, if you've been searching for a way how to get cap breakers, this is the fastest method. Not many places even give you 28. I don't think all of the 28 people actually know how to get. So this has got to be the only way to do it. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your NBA 2K26 locker code. You can see the full code is hidden, and why they do that, it basically prevents people from taking all of the codes. So you can only do this once, and it takes about 5 minutes to unlock your code. I did this earlier, and it's pretty easy, but yeah, I know it's a bit annoying, but I think it's worth it considering you are getting all 28 cap breakers. So you need to complete 2 tasks you see on this page here. They're all completely free. And these are really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing mobile games, answering survey questions. They're all completely free. Like I said, they do take a few minutes each to complete. As a rough example, I'll show you this one quick. Download, install this app, and play one game for 5 minutes. So if you choose this one or one like this, you would click on it. It'll take you to the Google Play Store or the App Store, where you basically download that app. And you have to play one game for 5 minutes. So yeah, just complete 2 of these, and it will send you back to Cold Coupons, and your 2K26 cap breakers locker code will now be fully revealed here, guys. And you can literally grab your code from this box, redeem it, no matter which platform, Xbox, PlayStation, PC, whatever, you can redeem it in game. And that is how to get all 28 cap breakers in 2K26. Head on over to Cold Coupons. If you have any questions, as per usual, guys, you can of course drop me a message or leave a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.